Excuse me. Wait, am I lost again? Why is asking for directions so hard?
Sounds familiar, right? You're in a new city, feeling lost, but you're too nervous to ask for directions clearly in English?
Exactly, Sophie. Last time I spent nearly an hour wandering around because I was too shy to ask.
Well, no worries. I'm Sophie, your guide to easy and stress-free English conversations.
And I'm Ethan, the one who always gets lost, but is ready to learn with you all.
And this is Easy English Podcast, where we make learning English fun and stress-free. If you want to improve your English in an easy, enjoyable way, make sure to subscribe and follow us on this exciting journey.
In today's episode, you'll learn exactly how to ask for directions clearly, politely, and without feeling embarrassed.
And there's even a special gift for you, a free PDF guide with useful phrases for asking directions at the end. But first, let's find out, will Ethan finally manage to confidently ask directions today? The answer might surprise you.
Excuse me, sorry. I'm trying to get to Buckingham Palace. Should I go left? Or, right?
Oh, Buckingham Palace? Just go straight ahead, then turn left.
Okay, straight ahead and then turn right?
No, sorry. I mean, turn left. Definitely left.
Oh, left. Got it. Thanks.
Did you notice? Ethan confused left and right. This is very common. A quick tip. If you're not sure, just ask again clearly, like Ethan did.
Excuse me again. Sorry to bother you. Just to confirm, it's straight ahead and turn left to Buckingham Palace, right?
That's exactly right. You're doing great.
By the way, I noticed you say sorry a lot when giving directions. Is that normal here?
Absolutely. In England, we love to say sorry, or pardon, even when there's nothing to apologize for. It's just a polite habit. Quick cultural note. British people often say sorry when helping others, even if they've done nothing wrong. Don't worry, it's just politeness.
Okay, let me practice clearly one last time. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to Buckingham Palace, please?
Perfect. Just go straight ahead for about 5 minutes, then turn left. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I think I've finally got it.
You're welcome. And remember, if you're ever confused again, just ask. People are usually happy to help. Ethan seems confident now. But will he really get there without getting lost again? Let's keep listening to find out. Did you notice in the conversation that Ethan mixed up left and right? That's actually very common. Have you ever made this mistake?
Yeah, it's really easy to confuse them. How can I avoid making this mistake, Sophie?
It's quite simple. Just repeat the directions clearly right after you hear them. For example, if someone says, "Go straight ahead, then turn left," you can respond clearly. Straight ahead, then left?
Ah, got it. But what if I don't clearly hear the directions the first time?
Then you can use this helpful phrase. Could you speak more slowly, please? Or, sorry, could you repeat that, please? It's polite, clear, and helps you understand better.
I remember the first time I asked directions in England. I said, "Excuse me, do you know where the museum is at?" But the local person seemed confused. What did I say wrong?
Good question. You added the word at, which isn't necessary. The correct way is, "Excuse me, do you know where the museum is?" Or simply, "Could you tell me how to get to the museum?"
Ah, that makes sense now. I'll definitely remember that.
Now let's practice quickly. Imagine you're in the city center, and you need directions to the nearest train station. What sentence would you use? You could say clearly, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest train station?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the nearest train station?" Both are clear and polite. If you want to confidently ask for directions, just remember these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Always start politely with, "Excuse me," or "Sorry to bother you." Step 2. Ask clearly, using simple phrases like, "Could you tell me how to get to the train station?" Or, "Do you know where the train station is?" And step 3. Always confirm the directions clearly. For example, "So, I go straight ahead and turn left, correct?"
Those are simple and easy to remember. I'm definitely going to use them next time.
Let's now practice using an audio simulation technique. I'll play the role of a local person giving directions. Try listening and see if you can understand clearly.
I'm ready.
Sure, just go straight down this road, take the second turning on your right, and you'll see the museum straight ahead.
Wow, that was quite fast. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. This is exactly what you can say. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Sure, go straight down this road, take the second turning on your right, and you'll see the museum straight ahead.
Ah, now I understand perfectly.
Here's a small challenge for you. After this podcast, try using the phrase, "Could you speak more slowly, please?" the next time you're listening to a video or podcast in English. If it's too fast, just pause and practice saying this phrase clearly, to yourself.
And don't forget to share your experience with us in the comments.
Exactly. This small challenge is easy to do, but will make you much more confident when asking for directions.
You know, Sophie, I used to feel extremely nervous about asking directions. One time, when traveling in London, I spent nearly an hour wandering in circles because I was afraid of making a mistake in English. Finally, I was so exhausted that I had no choice but to stop someone and ask. To my surprise, the person was incredibly friendly and even walked with me part of the way. It completely changed my perspective on asking for directions.
I completely understand, Ethan. Many people feel exactly the same. But think about it. Mistakes are actually your friends in disguise. Each mistake brings you closer to becoming confident in English. Have you ever noticed that every time you step out of your comfort zone, even just a little, you become stronger and more comfortable speaking?
That makes so much sense, Sophie. So mistakes aren't something to fear. They're just a normal part of learning English.
Exactly. Remember, the goal isn't to speak perfectly. The goal is clear communication and building your confidence. Every small mistake is proof that you're actively learning and growing. People always appreciate your effort, much more than your perfection. So here's your easy challenge for today. When you do the practice session next, try to speak without worrying about making mistakes. Just focus on clearly expressing yourself. If you get stuck, smile and try again. No pressure.
Trust me, just taking this small step will make you feel great. Who knows? Maybe you'll do even better than me and won't end up lost at a bakery.
Exactly. Now, with this new mindset, you're completely ready for our practice session. Let's put it into action right now. All right, everyone. Now that you feel more confident about making mistakes, it's practice time. Before we jump in, let me quickly tell you a funny story. Ethan almost missed an important meeting yesterday because he mixed up left and right. Again. Isn't that right, Ethan?
Please don't remind me, Sophie. I confidently said turn left, but I ended up walking right, straight into a bakery, which was delicious, but definitely not my meeting.
I guess that mistake turned out to be sweet in more ways than one. But today's your chance to get it right, Ethan. Are you ready for a quick directions challenge?
Absolutely! I'm determined not to end up in a bakery again today.
Excellent. I'll be a busy local, and you only have 5 seconds to give me clear directions. Are you ready? Here we go.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic light. You'll see the station on your right.
Perfect! That's exactly right. Looks like you've definitely learned your lesson. For now. Now, a quick and easy challenge for our wonderful listeners. Use one of the direction phrases we've practiced today. Like, could you tell me how to get to? In a real-life conversation. Within 24 hours. If you succeed, let us know in the comments how it went, and we'll give you a special shout-out in our next episode.
Absolutely. And hey, if we receive at least 50 comments sharing your success stories, I promise I'll share my funniest, most embarrassing direction mistake next time. Trust me, you really don't want to miss that.
So, there you have it. Practice your lefts and rights carefully, or you might end up at a bakery like Ethan. Any final words before we wrap up, Ethan?
Just one thing. If you ever hear me mixing them up again, don't hesitate to comment "ding" below to keep me on the right track.
All right, that's your final practice challenge for today. Good luck, everyone. Now go out there confidently and ask for directions in English. See you next time.
Today, we've learned how to confidently ask for directions in English. The key steps are starting with a polite phrase like, "Excuse me," asking clearly with phrases like, "Could you tell me how to get to?" and confirming directions to make sure you're heading in the right direction. These small but powerful steps are the key to building your confidence.
Exactly. And remember, feeling nervous is completely normal. Just smile, ask clearly, and keep practicing these phrases. You'll feel more confident every time you do. If you found this episode helpful, don't wait. Subscribe now to Easy English Podcast and grab your free PDF guide below, filled with even more useful phrases. Start practicing today and take your English skills to the next level.
Yes, click subscribe, download the PDF, and share your experience with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it went for you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate you being part of our community. Keep practicing these phrases. And remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. We're with you every step of the way.
See you next time on Easy English Podcast. Relax, have fun, and keep learning with us. And don't forget, your next English adventure starts with just one phrase.